So in this lesson, we are going to calculate unknowns involving angle bisectors and complementary and supplementary angle pairs. So let's learn what an angle bisector is. An angle bisector, well, normally we run through this, but an angle bisector is BD. So BD, I'll just write it right here. BD, ray BD, is an angle bisector. An angle bisector. It's an angle bisector. So an angle bisector is basically something that cuts through and divides the angle bisector in two. The angle into two separate angles, two equal angles. So what would we, how would we simply put that? Or put that simply. It's, we're just going to put something that cuts an angle in half. So BD was the angle bisector of ABC because it cut it into two angles of 30 degrees. So it says, given that AH bisects MAT. So let's draw MAT. MAT. AH bisects it. So AH. Okay, cool. Not too bad. If MAT is 70, then what is MAH? Well, 70 degrees divided by 2 is 35 degrees. I'm just going to put angle of MAH. All right. So if HAT is 80, so let's look. HAT is 80, then find MAT. Well, that would be the opposite. Well, that wouldn't be dividing, that would be multiplying. So 80 degrees times 2 is 160 degrees. And of course, it's not drawn perfectly because I just sort of made it up, and that is the measure of angle MAT. Well, I'm not even draw the box around it. Y'all get it. Y'all know what the answer is. Oh, actually, I can just do it for here, though, right? Okay. Find MAH and HAT. So let's look. MAH, and HAT. And MAT. If MAH, we'll actually use this one. 6x minus 1. MAT is 10x plus 4. Okay, so if we know that these are equivalent, then we can make an equation out of them. 6x minus 1 should be equivalent to 10x plus 4. So I'm just going to take away 6x from both sides because I want to keep this positive. It's just easier for me. So negative 1 equals 4x plus 4. I'm going to write that differently. 4x plus 4 equals negative 1. Take away 4. 4x equals negative 5. Divide by 4. X equals negative 5 over 4, which is negative 1 and 25. 1 and 25 hundredths. Now this isn't our answer. We actually have to substitute them in. So because I know you know how to do that, I'm going to say substitute I'm not going to waste your time with that. Let's go to the second part. Oh, in this one, we are going to talk about complementary and supplementary angles. I'm going to give you some examples. Complementary means they add up to 90 degrees. So I'll give you two that will look like that, eat more easily. And then I guess I'll do my best, okay? So these add up to 90 degrees. So for instance, this angle and this angle are complementary. I could do it like this. This angle and this angle are complementary to each other if they create a right angle, a 90-degree angle. I can even do, I don't know, that angle and that angle are complementary because they add up to 90 degrees. They create a right angle. And lastly, I guess I could do it like that. So you get the point. There are two angles that create 90 degrees. Supplementary are two angles that create 180 degrees. So I'll give you an example. So this angle and this angle create 180 degrees. I can do it like this angle and this angle added to 180 degrees, straight line. And then, I don't know, I can do it like this. This angle and this angle create 180 degrees. So A and B are complementary. Measure of angle A is 3x plus 7 and B is 6x plus. So we want to know what 3x plus 7 actually is and what 6x plus 11. So measure of angle A is 3x plus 7. But we know that angle A and angle B are complementary, so we know they add up to 90 degrees. So 3x plus 7 plus 6x plus 11 equals 90 degrees. We drop that. Yeah, let's just drop it. I was just gonna skip past that step and start solving, but I think it'll be easier if y'all see it. We get 9x plus 18 equals 90. Let's take 18 away from both sides. 9x equals 72. We divide by 9, divide by 9. X equals 8. Now remember, we're not done because it didn't say find x. It said find the measure of each one. So angle A equals 3 times 8. If you need to see the 3x plus 7, I can put it there. Plus 7. So 24 plus 7 is 31 degrees. So measure of angle A. And then angle B is 6 times 8 plus 11. Remember that came from 6x plus 11. So 6 times 8 is 48 plus 11 is, sorry, I was thinking about something else, is 59. So angle B is 59 degrees. And of course, we can check it because 59 and 31, well, 59 plus 1 is 60. 60 plus 30 is 90. Let's talk about supplementary. So P and Q are supplementary. P and Q, what's the measure of each? So you'll do the same thing. Like, well, something similar, we'll say. Well, because we know that the sum of 5x plus 3 and x plus 3 are supplementary, so it's 180 degrees. And you do the same stuff and then you substitute. So don't forget to substitute. And that's it. Thank you.